Good morning, this is A.Chandramouli from CSE department. Today I am discussing the topic about the software development life cycle in software engineering. Okay, generally you are all awareness what do you mean by the life cycle here. Okay, so in this concept we are having what are different type of life cycle phases, and we are having what are different type of models. Okay, so you will discuss one by one. So first of all we will discuss about the definition, what do you mean by the life cycle. See, life cycle is nothing but where you are going to form with a number of stages. So in this life cycle you are going to follow some sequence of steps. Okay, so life cycle phases are classified in different types. One is software development life cycle, one is project development life cycle, and one is product development life cycle, and we have one more life cycle, that is software testing life cycle. Generally you are all awareness what do you mean by the software development life cycle. So software development life cycle is termed as the different type of life cycle phases where you are going to improve the software quality. So when I come to this software development life cycle here, we have to improve the quality of the software, and you have to improve the resources in different type of implementations here. Okay, so in this software development life cycle you are having some different type of phases here. See, these phases are used only for the development of the software quality and the development of the different type of products in different type of companies here. Okay, nowadays in the real time environment, the software development life cycle phases are going to be happen to develop some different type of software implementations here. See, one is the first phase in the software development life cycle is planning. The second phase in the software development life cycle is analysis. The third phase in the software development life cycle is designing. The fourth phase in the software development life cycle is coding. The fifth phase, the software development life cycle is testing. The last phase is the deployment. So these are the 6 types of phases where you are going to develop the software development life cycle. See, you are going to discuss one by one with a short brief notes here. Now first of all you come across what you mean by the planning phase here. See, planning is nothing but where you are going to plan our resources to improve the software quality of using some different type of blueprint structure of the document here. So this planning is a crucial part in the software development life cycle here. When you are going to do the planning, then you are going to improve the different type of product and different type of software implementations in the different type of implementations and with different type of resources. Okay, the second phase is analysis. See, analysis is nothing but the requirement phase. See, what are the requirements we want to develop a software here. It may be the hardware requirements or it may be the software requirements here. Okay, these requirements depends upon the planning what you are going to do in the first phase of the software development life cycle. So requirements is the second crucial point where you are going to develop the software product here. Okay, the third phase is designing. See, designing is nothing but an architecture. How you are going to design our diagrams. The design can be classified in 2 types. One is the low level design and the second one is the high level design here. The product should be designed in different type of architectures, and where you are going to develop this product in different type of resources here. The fourth phase is nothing but the coding. So coding is the part of the implementations. So you have to develop the coding is the part of the implementation of the fourth phase. See, the coding is going to develop the product development life cycle here. The coding is the one of the main crucial part in this software development life cycle. See, you can implement the coding part in different type of programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python. Using the coding part of the system, you are going to develop the planning, analysis, and requirements system here. Okay. The next phase is testing. See, testing is the next phase in the software development life cycle. Whenever all the phases are completed here, you are going to come the testing phase. See, testings are classified in different types: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, alpha testing, beta testing. You have some different types of testing models here. See, all these testings can be come across to this SDLC here. Okay, so any type of project what you are going to develop, the alpha testing, beta testing is one type of testing where you are going to develop these all types of phases here. So the last phase is deployment. Deployment is nothing but is the last phase of the SDLC where you are going to execute or the part of the system to develop the software product in the correct manner here. Okay, so deployment is the last phase. So these are the 6 phases where you are going to develop the software development life cycle. So when you come to this part of analysis, we have some different type of SDLC models here. So one is software development life cycle models. We have different type of models. One is waterfall model, and one is incremental model, have fish model, and you have component object model. So you have some different type of models. Okay. See, all these models are going to develop according to the phases of analysis in different type of structure implementations. See, when you come to the waterfall model is going to perform in the 7-step technique here. Okay. So these are the phases which come in the waterfall model from one step to other step. The second model which comes according to the incremental model. See, this is the type of model where you are going to develop the phase from one by one year according to the priority. So the next phase which come to V model, the verification and validation model. The next model is nothing but the spiral model. See, spiral model is one of the fastest model where you are going to improve of the software quality implementation in different type of analysis. And one more, you have the fish model. See, all these models can be taken according to SDLC, but the design of the diagrams will be different from all the phases where you are going to perform of all these phases according to planning, analysis, design, coding, testing, and deployment. That is nothing but maintenance. So these are the different type of models where you come according to the part of software development lifecycle. Thank you.